The lightweight champion banner is sponsored by the Roy Ranch. And the lightweight reserve champion banner is sponsored by Hank and Shannon Johnson. Remember, exhibitors, there are labels on your trophies, your buckles, and your banners showing who sponsored that trophy, buckle, or banner. Please take the time to write them a thank you note.
That looks good, Christopher.
Cattle showers. We have asked that there are no blowers running during the show. The goat show won't take too long. We'll have plenty of time this afternoon. Cattle showers. We've asked for no blowers going during the show.
Let's give our lightweight division exhibitors a round of applause. I think these four class winners, they come out here and represent their respective weight breaks, are a pretty good representation of what's going to happen in a couple of weeks at Oklahoma City. I think something's going to have to be very good built from the ground up. They're going to have to have some look about them, and they're going to still have to look like a female when you study them from the side. I think it's very challenging and very close between a couple individuals out here. I think one of them just runs out of gas when you set them in motion in terms of their pin set, and I'd like to see them track it a little bit wider from behind. But Maylin Mountain's Park, she's phenomenal from the side. Her shoulder lays into her and how good she blends into her forward and then to go ahead into her rear flank. I would like to change her to make her be our champion today. But without further ado, I'll go out and select your Grand Reserve.
I don't understand.
Grand Reserve.
Somebody.